Right, so here's the first video back. It's been a long fucking time. I haven't done Pokemon openings for nearly 2 years. I know I normally have a face cam on as well, but I just couldn't find the, well, I've got literally 1,000 tripods, but my GoPro for my face, and I can't find the mount for it. If you're wondering where I've been, I've got a larger channel called Janks Food Workshop. I've got 110,000 subscribers on that. I've also got a personal vlog, which is quite, you know, adult. Swear a lot. I have very, very strong opinions about things. That's also got about 2,100 subscribers on right now. So this channel fell by the wayside a little bit, but it's back, and I'm just doing it for fun now. It's gonna be a mixture of everything on here. Let's get on with this opening. So we've got this lunchbox, which I only bought because I need a lunchbox. I don't know what's in it. First Pokemon opening in fucking 2 years. It's a nice lunchbox. It's not as sturdy as I thought it was going to be. I like the mechanism. It makes me feel like a businessman. Let's open this up. Taking it off might help. Okay. Rillaboom, Inteleon, and Cinderace. They're quite nice. Let's see. They haven't come. Oh, Charizard coin. That's nice. They haven't come along very far with these. I hate these because these fuck up the promos. It's like, why bother doing that anyway? We got Vivid Voltage. Hopefully, oh, 2 packs of those. I'm keeping that card code for myself. Sorry guys. Put a big dislike up for that if you want. Don't care. Oh, Burning Shadows. Sun and Moon. Imagine if the Hyper or Rainbow Rare was in there. It's not going to be in that. And Sword and Shield. Get rid of that. And this is just, I'm guessing, oh, stickers. Still hyped about stickers at the age of 34. More stickers. I love the whatever Giga. Oh, there's paper in this. Look, it's for school, isn't it? I will be using that in my office because I am a legit businessman. And a little card binder. Now, I've done a rookie mistake and forgot to get sleeves. Doesn't matter. I'll be very gentle. And then that can fuck off. This is now my lunchbox. Yes. Take that to work with me. Let's get on with these 5 packs. Again, sorry about the lighting. Let's do that last. Sorry, I forgot I was talking then, but yeah. Sorry about the lighting. I normally have massive lights on me, but I've packed them away. Just finished filming quite a few videos for the other channel and I forgot to leave them out. But anyway, here we go. That light's gonna fucking piss me off. We've got Fairy Energy, which I believe they no longer do. I think they've stopped doing Fairy Energy now, haven't they? Come on, focus. And a Spinder, Steenie, Energy Revival, Crabrawler, Growlithe, Surskit, Formantis, Morlul, Reverse Foil, Makuhita, and you got a Cosmo one for the rare. Absolutely fuck all in that pack. Sword and Shield, first Sword and Shield era pack I've ever opened. Dark Energy, Hop, Pokegear, Pseudo Woodo, fuck's sakes. Ponyta, you can tell it's been a while since I've done this. Sandlit, Minchino, Sobble, I want to say Bill, but it's not. Oh, Blipbug, Wooloo, Reverse Foil Chinchou, and oh, Celebi! Okay, I wasn't expecting a decent card out of 5 packs. Now, I realise this isn't very competitive, so it's not worth a lot, but Celebi is one of my favourite Pokemon. It's not OG. OG is first gen, but still. I remember when Crystal came out, like I was legit probably 16, and everyone was going, "Oh, have you heard about Celebi?" One, two, three, four. You've got Fighting Energy, Stunfisk, Containing Energy, Shuckle, Blitzel, Slugma, Beldum, I can't read that one. Oh, Milcery, Wooper. We've got a reverse foil coating energy, which is quite cool, and a Flareon. Even though it's not hollow, it is very nice for the rare. Last, I'm trying to get hold of these as these vivid voltage, is it? As booster boxes are a nightmare. They're on eBay at the moment, but they're so expensive. Chaos Cards have got none. Anyway, we have Lightning Energy, Trumbeak, sorry, I'm trying to focus. There we go. Hitmontop, Macargo, focus. I'm trying to focus as well as keep it out of the flare of the bloody light at the top. Milcery again, Wooper, Nincada, Wishma. Is that reverse foil now? Dilba, reverse foil Jolteon, that's nice, and a Genesect foil, that's quite nice. It's a nice looking foil. Put that on there, and I will put that on there. Okay, so the last pack, which is the Burning Shadows. I'm not going to tell you what colour the card was. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Water Energy, Palmerina, I'm not even sure if she's still in rotation anymore. Simapore, Super Scooper, Liba, Cutiefly, Her Horsey, Venipede, Sensil, Reverse Foil Super Scooper, and we have a Shiinotic for the rare. How anti-fucking climactic. But anyway, there we go. So these are the picks of the day, well, pulls of the day. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, this channel is just going to be a mixed bag of anything I want to put up, really. That's geeky. Could be anything. No ideas of getting this channel to grow whatsoever. It's just content for me to put up just for the sake of it. Like I said, I've got 3 channels that are monetized now. Chin and Chew Reviews. I've got 4,900 subscribers on there. So this is just for fun. Absolute fun. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, don't freak out, geek out.